Hello, welcome back to our series of JavaScript array methods. If you haven't seen other parts, be sure to check part 1, 2, or 3, links in the description below. In today's video, we will have another 5 array methods, so let's get started. The filter method is a powerful tool that allows you to create a new array by filtering elements from existing array based on a specific provided condition. It's often used to selectively extract and manipulate elements in an array, leaving out those that don't meet the specific criteria. In this simple example, we filter out the even numbers from an array of integers. In this case, the filter method takes each element in the array numbers and check whether it's even by using the modulo operator. In this advanced example, we use the filter method to create an array for double product that contains the object with a price priority less than 20. Callback function check the price of each product. If less than 20, the product is included in the result. The findLast method. It's iterate of the array in the reverse order and return the value of the first element that satisfies with a given condition. Otherwise, it returns undefined. In this easy example, we have an array of numbers and we want to find the last even number in the array. The findLast method is used the callback function to check if the number is even. It iterates the array in reverse order and returns the last even number found. In this advanced example, we have an array of user objects and we want to find the last user that have the admin role in the array. With a callback function that checks the role of the user, it iterates over the array in reverse order, return the last user with the admin role. Little break, don't forget to like and subscribe, which make this channel grow, so more people benefit from the content. Let's keep going with the next method. Reduce method allows you to reduce an array into a single value. It applies a provide function to each element of array, accumulating result as its go. This method is commonly used for operations such as summing all the elements of array, calculating the average, or aggregating the data. In this easy example, we have an array of numbers and we want to calculate the sum of all the numbers. The reduce method is used with a callback function that takes accumulator and the current value. It is started with the initial accumulator value of 0, and for each element in the array, it adds the current value to the accumulator. Finally, it returns the accumulated value. In this advanced example, we have an array of product objects and we want to group them by the category property. The reduce method is used with a callback function that accumulated products into object, where keys are the category names and the value are the array of the product in the category. The every method checks whether all the elements in the array satisfy with a given condition. It returns true if all the elements of the array meet the condition, otherwise it returns false. This method is commonly used to evaluate whether an array fulfills certain criteria. In this easy example, we have an array of numbers and we want to check if all the elements are even. Every method is used with a callback function that checks if a number is even, which in this case is gonna be returning true. In this advanced example, we have an array of user objects and we want to check if all the users are admins or not. The every method is used with a callback function that checks each admin property for each user. Since not all the users have the is admin set to true, result will be false. The entries allow you to create an iterator object containing key value pairs for each element in the array. This method is often used when you want to iterate over both the index and the value of the element in the array, making it a valuable tool for various tasks, including looping through arrays or working with the array element and their indices. In this easy example, we have an array of fruits and we want to iterate over each element while also accessing its index. We use the entries methods to create an iterator and we use the for of loop to destruct the key value pairs into index and fruit. This allows us to print both the index and the corresponding fruit for each element. In this advanced example, we have an array of temperatures and we want to categorize them either high or normal based on the threshold of the 25 degrees. Using the entries method to create an iterator, then iterate over index temperature pairs inside the loop. As a result, we will have an array with a high or normal values. That was all for this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.